So, how many of you would believe me if I told you that? Yeah, so this is an orange that I have not had this or had orange for over a year or two. And though this is so remarkable because um, oranges are widespread where we live, usually, but because there was a disease that affected the trees, there basically are not much oranges in this area, and this is actually one that came from Manchester. Yes, quite interesting. Yes, so listen, let's take time to appreciate love the foods and the stuff and the people that we have around us, because truly they are priceless. They are treasure, they're priceless. And indeed, we know that this is vitamin C along with other vitamins and minerals. And sometimes we don't, as we say in Jamaica, sometimes we don't appreciate the things we have until we lose them. So let's appreciate them now while we have them. And yes, this orange is really sweet, really, really sweet. So let's enjoy, or full joy, as I always say, full joy things to the maximum. Yes, full joy them to the max. And so when they're not available, we know that we did full joy them to the max. Have an awesome week, everyone, and God be with you.